Hey guys, welcome to the Ultra Bandit. I'll show you guys the layout on this aircraft. So this is an older Ultra Bandit kit. Not sure exactly how old it is, but this was found and we ended up stripping everything out of this kit down to the shell and redoing everything. So it's got all new airlines in it, all new wiring, ash-lock connectors everywhere. Pretty much the standard setup for us here. So in this aircraft, we're using all Jetty Cortex gyro. So we've got a central box, 210. We've got two Rec 7 receivers, an R3 for our on-off, a Cortex, our standard setup. We use default and we use a clone receiver on all of these aircraft, and it works beautifully. We ended up doing MKS 599 servos throughout the aircraft. There's 9930s used on the flaps and an MKS 1220 on the steering. So I'll show you guys briefly on the inside here exactly how we have things laid out. So we went with the standard Model Aviation Products UAT. It's the high flow model. We've got everything hidden, or what we coin as the Bluetooth setup. So all of the equipment is hidden underneath the trays for an ultra clean setup. And the only thing really visible is the batteries and the fuel system. We do have some extension plugs installed on the aircraft, and those extension plugs allow us to do any programming that we need on the aircraft. So if we need access to the Cortex, to the Zykoy fail-safe sequencer, everything's available through those ports. So we're out here at LA Jets event. The Maiden on this plane happened yesterday, and I got a few flights on it yesterday, and so far one flight today, and it's been absolutely flawless. So beautiful aircraft, absolute classic aircraft. So now that we've looked at all the equipment layout, let's see some flight footage. All right, we forgot one of the most important things, the power plant. So this has a Zykoy 240 engine installed. Obviously it's hidden in the bypass, but super cool setup. Yes, no fuel used. Is that what you said? 70% fuel?
70%. right spot.
Thank you.
I get all the credit though.